Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learn with me. So today I am back with a new loot video guys. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. So today loot video is about, before getting into that, so this will be my last video guys. So I am working very hard to make videos, but I am not even getting views. So I have 2000 Telegram channel members and around 150 subscribers. I am not getting even 60 to 80 views guys, because I am trying hard. So my content is being copied into other pages, and the response is huge guys. So when some other channels are copying the same content and posting, they are getting huge response and I am not getting it. So please understand that I am working hard to help you and help our channel grow with sustainable. Okay, so let's get back to the loot video guys. So firstly, you need quick VPN. Okay, so go to Play Store, search quick VPN. So firstly install this app guys. Okay, after this open the app and click Singapore and just connect it. Okay, so quick VPN connected to Singapore. After this you just need to go to, I would be giving link guys, do not worry about it. Okay, so you need to create an account here. Okay, so if you try without VPN, without Singapore server, it would be showing you can't create this account, this something would be appearing. So I have tried many times guys. So what is the benefit of joining and what do you think? So you need to click on join now. So a form is right here, so you need to fill the form. You need to display your name. If your name is Santu, you need to click Santu. So you need to give any password and click I am not a robot. After that click on proceed. So after clicking on proceed, you would be redirected to the site. So after getting redirected to the site, you need to go to settings. Okay, you need to go to settings. So as you can see, articles are 0 and the token balance is also 0. Okay, so this is my second account guys. So firstly what you need to do is click on the three dot, click on community. So click on write article. So name your article. So you need to name your article. Just write something guys, anything on your own. Do not copy it from anywhere. This is an amazing day. Okay, so click blockchain and cryptocurrencies. So after this you need to drop your image. Okay, so I would be updating about new vault about Posey. So you can write anything guys about your studies. Position. Okay, position finance is the biggest cryptocurrency which has given most APR till now in the crypto universe. Okay, in the crypto universe you need to write minimum 5 lines guys. So Posey has given many opportunities like airdrop and community airdrop and coin market cap. Also good. Now the price is bit low. You can invest now in vaults and farming to get best results. Okay, after clicking this, just go down. So if this occurs guys, just copy whatever you have written. Okay, so just copy and go to desktop site. Okay, go to desktop site, so it would be easy. So just verify the captcha, 4 buses. So 1 2 3, yeah 3, yes, just click on verify. So you would be redirected to same page. So choose a category, blockchain and cryptocurrency. It would be not more than 2 minutes guys, do not worry. So click on paste. So just zoom out, I am not a robot. Click on publish. Okay, click on publish. Cover image. So we have already given the cover image. Okay, it is loading guys, as you can see. So let's try it again. So after getting this, you need to share this post guys. It would be taking 5 to 10 minutes, not for updating but to review and approve the post. Okay, so this vault image is not uploading, I don't know why, but it is very easy guys. After clicking on this link, click on publish. Okay, after clicking on publish, you would be shown Twitter, Telegram and many more social media sites. You just need to copy that link and you need to post it like this. So I would be showing you guys, do not forget any, okay, anything. So this guy gave me this group guys, so this is not my group, but you can see what you need to make it is. So this page does not exist. Every article which you publish daily would be valid for 1 day. Okay, so we need to write every article daily. So after writing the article, you can earn up to 25 looper tokens per one 5-star rating. Okay, so for 4 5-star ratings you can earn up to $1. So yesterday night alone one guy made $437 from these groups. I would be giving 2 group links in description. Okay, so that you can join those groups and you can give 5-star rating and you can also comment on that. Okay, so no one has posted, yeah. So this is the channel guys, like this. So you would be getting everything, Telegram, Twitter. You need to copy your referral code, give 5-star rating. Okay, you can see 75 looper, I have given him rating, so the rating would be updated here and it becomes 100 looper. So as much as you can, so I would be showing, you can send proof for each and everyone. If someone does not follow you, you can even DM them, so that you would be getting 100% profit. So this is a new loot guys, it has just started yesterday only. If you would miss this, this is gonna be huge. Yesterday itself one guy made $437. So do not miss this guys. Thank you so much.